Kasorkar jela kalamahami kikinhon seng bhalang bakim day ban shim ya kaan halaki jong kikti. Lakalong kikinhon seng bhalang ne kinu kibriu ngiday ban sya ya lam hakikendon balabu da kaan. Ngimla ban shim ya kaan halaki jong kikti ong usimbot Menteri Rangba ubaday pet ya katanat pulit uba Preston Tensong hakas ngit hoding. Kajing kren jong u kalami hadien kajing jia hakatayo baladep hanigrims hakaba ke HYC kala persang ban khang jubor ya ka office trekam jong u director halor kimat bayadei bakajing thungkam yaki nurse shwaya kani Menteri Rangba kajela u Conrad ke sangma ula penskem ba on sa shimkhia hakabiyadei bakajing sha pentut hakajing trekam ha nigrims.
Yes, there may be some kind of discussion or meeting with different agencies. I mean, we welcome that, but at the same time, you cannot just take the law in your hand. Be it a pressure group or be it anybody. I would appeal, I would request to everyone that we should, whatever we do, it should be guided, prescribed norms of the law.